In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 24th August 2022 and the day would be Wednesday. In yesterday's video, I clearly said that today it is going to be a green or a pullback candle. I clearly said that whenever these things happen, that all the sectors are in red, then the next day is usually the bottom is made and a pullback comes. And I also said that 17,300 level will act as support and this level will not break, and that's what it has happened. Now you can just go back and you can see that I said that this type of formation will come. You can just go back and check that video, yesterday's video. I'll give the link on the card on the upper section here. You can click and check this video that I clearly said that this will happen. Now together these two candles is called piercing pattern. It opened gap down and then ate almost nearly half or more than half of the candle, previous red candle. Now there is a window that can act as resistance. So if we go to 1 hour chart, here is one thing you can see that it fell sharply, then it is a first pullback. Now it can come a little bit down, make a W formation and go up. So double bottom can be created. So tomorrow immediately what we can do is, as I said in yesterday's video, that we will buy our 17,600. So unless this is a trap and it comes down above this level, if it opens flat and goes up, then we can buy above this level and our target would be near 17,700. And if it opens gap down or below 17,600 level, then we can see some continuation of the fall. There is also a trend line to be broken, and if it opens with a gap up, then it will be stuck between a range. That's what we can do. Now let's look at Banknifty. In Banknifty, you can see this is an engulfing, but there was a resistance. It came down and then it broke the resistance in one shot. It couldn't, it fell, and now it's just resting at the resistance level. So this is a cause of concern, as after fall it is a pullback and then it is halting at the exact place, and from there if it comes down, then fall may come below 38,000. But that seems quite unlikely at this moment. So if it opens gap up, then this level will also act as support and then the high will be tested. That's 39,700 will be tested. So in 1 hour chart you can see it similarly like Nifty. It is a first pullback. It can come a little bit down to make a double bottom formation and then it can go up, and these levels will act as a bottom which is near 38,400. In this zone will act as a double bottom support before it goes up. So what we can do immediately tomorrow is that there is an immediate resistance. So if it crosses this high, if it opens flat or a little bit gap up and crosses this high, then we can buy. And if it opens flat and comes down, or if it opens below this level, then if it opens with a gap down, then we can expect some fall. Or we can expect a range between 39,200 and 38,200. This is the range in which Banknifty is most likely to trade with volatility. So now let's look at the stocks. The first stock is M&M. You can see it's clearly an uptrend, higher high, higher low, and it gave breakout from here and quite a bit tested this level, and now it's making a green candle. So it can go further high up and it can come to this level or even may go beyond that, but for intraday that much momentum will also be enough. So above 1280 we can buy, keeping a 5 to 7 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be your target on the upside. The next stock is VETL. You can see it was maintaining a trend line support due to these market conditions and global sentiment, it came down but closed well above the trend line itself. Now this high, if it crosses, then we can expect some further high up move up till 300. So on intraday level, we can just buy above 264, keeping a 4-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be your target on the upside. The next stock is Hindustan Unilever. In such a bullish market as today, where a pullback came, this is a stock that went negative and it closed well below the trend line. So we can sell Hindustan Unilever below 2585, keeping a 5 to 7 point stop loss, and our target will be 1:2 on the downside. The next stock is Divi's Lab. I suggested this stock when it was at this level for positional and for intraday also, and when it came down, still it can go further down the lane, as more 30 to 40 point can still come in this stock. So below 35.29 we can sell, keeping a 10-point stop loss. We can keep a 10-point stop loss, and our target would be 20 point, that is 1:2 on the downside. So 35.10 or 35.5 will be our target on the downside. And remember that all these are for educational purposes. I am not a savvy registered analyst. Consult your financial advisor. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.